G'day guys, it's Mark here from North Oz, and in today's video my dad is going to be taking over the camera and he's going to be showing you around his brand new 2022 Landcruiser Prado GXL. So it's got a few things on it for caravanning and stuff, so I'll let him take over. He's going to give you his initial thoughts on it, and yeah, I'm going to leave you in his capable hands. You don't have to look at the camera, you can just look at the road.
I'm driving a 2022.
So we don't all die.
I'm driving a 2022 Toyota Prado. Just picked it up yesterday, so drove it from the dealer. Done about 170 Ks in it already. And comparing it to the 2021 RAV4 that I had before, it's a much smoother ride. It's a lot more height off the road, which I like, because you can actually see further. It's a bit safer. The RAV4 was a hybrid, so I think the technology in the RAV4 was a bit better. The acceleration in the RAV4 was a bit better too, having both engines running when you accelerated briskly. Not that I did much, but every now and then you can't resist. And the main reason I've got the Prado was because we can actually tow a caravan, which we've recently purchased. And unfortunately the RAV4 didn't have the capacity to do that. Other features on the Prado so far that I like the fact that it has long-range tanks on it. I got the version with the long-range tanks. So I got the tire on the back. It's no big deal. I find that's pretty easy to open. There's a lock on the strut, the gas strut, or whatever it is, when you open it up, so you can lock it if you want, if you're on an incline, so it doesn't crush you. Come back and crush you. Yeah, the space in the Prado is better. You have more space to carry gear. The RAV4 was a little bit limited like that. I find the finish in the Prado is a bit stronger. In the cargo area of the RAV4, I found the back of the seats, if you stack stuff in, if you put them down and you stack stuff regularly, the carpet tended to shred real quickly, whereas this one, the carpet is a bit higher quality, and I think it won't shred as fast. I had the pack put on for towing. It was done through the Toyota dealer, but not by the Toyota dealer, and they did a very efficient job. To be tested soon when we pick up our caravan. I don't know what the outcome is yet, so we'll see how that goes. The gear changing is very smooth. The diesel, so far I'm getting 9 liters per 100, which I think will be pretty constant. I did a bit of city driving and a bit of country driving too, so as long as I don't engage a turbo too often, I think I could maintain that. Seeing that petrol is getting a little bit expensive now, it'll be handy to keep that cost down as much as we can. I haven't had a chance to read the manual, which is like weighs about 40 kilos, so I was thinking of using the manual for squat training because of the weight of it. So I'll let you know how that goes. Other than that, space in the cab is good. I found my little nooks and crannies. I put my phone there now. I got my glasses up there. Up there, you press that. Has a little mirror thing, which I haven't peeled the thing off yet, so you can actually see people in the back when you talk to them. Pull it down a bit more, you got your glasses there. Took me a bit of time to get used to that, because it's a bit fiddly, but anyway, I've mastered that, and that's pretty good. I got the extra pack with this to I've got front sensors on the front mudguards, because we use this car for work as well, or will be using it for work, and it's a good idea just to have the beepers to go off if you're too close to things. It's a big car. A nice feature of this car too is the automatic folding in side mirrors. I think it's part of the it's all part of the package, I think, because I don't think they come standard on the Prados, so which is quite nice. I find that's very useful. I find the traffic awareness little lights go on when people pull up on your right or your left. I think that's very handy too. Air conditioning is beautiful. It's so cool in here. So I'll let you know when I do a bit more research and a bit more use of this vehicle. I will keep you informed as to my impression, but so far so good. I'm very happy with the car. I got I think a pretty fair deal from the Toyota dealer, and they always look after me very well there. I find the service is excellent. We use John Cole Toyota up in Atherton. I find them exceptional for service. I've been buying Toyotas off them now for about 15 years, and I'll keep going back. The service is excellent. I'm not getting paid for saying that, by the way. Just how it is. My family are buying Toyotas from them as well. My son Mark, who he has just rebuilt his Prado. He buys his cars through them as well. So yeah, very happy with the service, very happy with the vehicle, and maybe we could have a look when I get the Caravan. I'll show you what it looks like when it's all hooked up and my impression of what that's all about then. Thanks for the chance to talk to you. See you next time.